Hi guys, do you guys like to play with slime? Today I'm going to teach you guys how I make my slime. So here I have my glue, my shaving cream, and Gain. Those are the three ingredients that I use. So I'm going to start making it. So first we put glue. Depending how much slime you want to make. Okay guys, so I'm almost done pouring the glue. So now I'm done. And now I am gonna add shaving cream. Shaving gel. Okay, so now you guys see me ready. It doesn't have to be the same shaving gel. It could be different because a lot of people use different kinds of shaving gel. And now, it's gonna start forming a little bit once you put some shaving cream. But you still need to add Gain. You could either use Gain or Tide. So now I'm gonna add the Gain. And make sure you always have your parents' permission and supervision. So now I'm adding the Gain. If you have a lot of slime, you don't really, a lot of glue, you don't really have to add a lot of Gain. You could add a little bit or a lot. You are gonna get dirty and it is gonna be kind of sticky, but okay, so you're gonna keep mixing and mixing so it could form into the slime. And of course, as you guys could see, I'm already getting dirty. So it doesn't really matter if you get dirty because you can wash your hands. Okay, so now we could start playing with it a little bit so that it could form. At first it's really going to be like a little ruin, but then you just have to play with it a little bit so that it could like start forming a little bit. Okay, so as you guys could see, it's already forming to slime. The shaving cream makes it a lot and makes it more fluffier. So here it is, guys, the slime. So when I'm done making my slime, I usually like to play with it for a little bit so that it could form and then get more stretchier. And then I leave it here on the table. And I'm gonna take out some more slime with a spoon. The shaving cream and everything from the container so I could get out all this stuff, all this other slime that did not get out with this bunch. Some of you guys think it's kind of hard to make slime, but it's not that hard. You just need 2 ingredients. Actually, I use 3. I use the glue, the shaving cream, and the game, but some people just use the glue and the game or Tide. Okay, so now I'm done making my slime. It's already done, but always make sure that you have adult supervision, your mom's or your dad's supervision, because you have to be safe with all these chemicals that we're using to make the slime. So now guys, I'm gonna show you guys my other slimes I've already made. So I have a purple slime. I have a purple slime and it sticks. It has a little bit of crunches, but it's okay. A little bit of bolitas. And it sticks a lot. And with this one, I only used glue and glue. I did not use shaving gel, because you don't always have to use it. Now I am gonna go on to a golden one. Golden slime. So here, this one is very starchy. This one was also made with the same ingredients, glue. This one was also made with the same ingredients, glue and game. Okay, so now let's go to our next slime. Okay, so this is a clear slime. It's kind of sticky, like I was telling you guys. Some slimes might be sticky and you might get dirty with them. But this one, I'm still going to take it out. It's sticky. So here's the slime. Sometimes since it's clear and you have other slimes in your hands, it gets a little dirty. But it's always going to get dirty, guys, because it's clear slime. Like what clear things that get dirty. Okay, so now let's go on to the next one. Our next slime is kind of sticky. Yeah. This one was made with clear glue and activator is borax, which is in powder, but you put it in a container with water and then you keep mixing it till all the borax dissolves. When it dissolves, it's going to turn into liquid and you can put it in the glue, with the glue so that it could turn into clear slime. And this one needed a little bit more activated so that it won't be that sticky. So let's try to put it back into the container. Now let's go on to the next one. The next one is gonna be crunchy slime. These were non-crunchy slime, but now I'm gonna be showing you guys crunchy slime. Okay, so first we start with this blue one. This is crunchy. This is crunchy, satisfying slime. It does not really stretch a lot, but it's full of little bolitas that make it crunchy. Okay, this one is blue. This one was made with glue, activator, gain, and of course we have to add the little bolitas. Okay, so now let's go on to our next slime. Next we have this one. It's very crunchy. This one we did not use the little bolitas. We used these little beads that you use for the bracelets and the necklaces and all that stuff. So that's what we used. So now we'll try to take it out because this is real hard to take out. Okay, yes, it's going. There you go. Okay, it came out. And here it is. This one was actually clear slime, but then I added glitter and then I added beads to make it crunchy. So this is very, very, very crunchy. Okay, so now let's put it away. These might come off also, the little beads, but it's okay. Okay, so now let's go on to our next one. Our next one is this one. This is like a peach color. A peach color that is crunchy. Okay, this one I didn't have that before, but it's fine. Okay, and then I have this other pink crunchy one. It is also kind of sticky, but it's fine, like I said. Fine, so this one is a lot. Yes. Okay. This one was made with activator, Elmer's glue, food coloring, and game. And of course, a little bolitas to make it crunchy. And you guys are probably wondering where they sell these. They sell these in every store. So, yeah, you guys can find these little bolitas in any store. Now you're going to the next slime. I forgot to introduce you these. These are not crunchy. This one is a pink one over here. And then we have another one that we can look. Okay, and then we have the pink one. And then we have our blue one right here. It's like a light blue. Okay, and next is the butter slime. The butter slime. Here is the yellow one. This is butter slime. Okay, now let's go on to the pink one. This is a really, really pretty pink. Okay, so that's all the slimes that those are, oh, that makes come on. Oh, that makes sense. Yellow. So let's put one by one back. Okay. So this is the yellow. I got mixed up with a little bit of pink right now. But I was putting yellow in. And I also have this one. It's very, very, very fluffy. This one wasn't meant to be fluffy. Which one is it? Yeah, this one. But since I only got a little bit of food in it, it wasn't that fluffy. But it's okay. And then here is the fluffy slime. This one is white. If you guys can remember, or the color is white. And it's a lot of slime. So again, I'm showing you guys the pink one and our light blue one. All you have to use to make the colors is food coloring. You guys could also see on YouTube some other stuff. You guys probably see on YouTube some other videos to make slime and how to make them. Well, here are some ideas, some tips that I'll give you guys of how I make my own slime, and it is very, very soft. Some are very, very sticky like this one, but it's because they just needed more activator. They just needed a little bit more activator. So yeah, if some of you guys were also wondering, like, what does the borax look like? It's just borax, guys. Okay guys, so my name was Ariana. I was the one who made all these slimes with me and my friends. And make sure you guys like and subscribe.